come on outside. In order for us to to create a new landscape for the college, what we've had to do is dig into the foundation that was out here, and you can see some of the rubble that's been left behind, and we've also had to uproot some of the landscaping. We will be replacing that landscaping, but right now if you see the green sign, and we focus on the green Founders Hall sign, if you could imagine, that's where our new entrance is going to be installed. So we're going to create a new entrance. That Founders Hall sign will eventually be removed, but we'll be creating a new entrance, and we showed you the inside. Now you can see the outside of the new entrance and how that's going to be factored in. And it gives you an idea of how the landscape of the campus is going to change, and why we had to level all of this land and remove some of the concrete and some of the foundation and concrete block that was in support of the foundation. But it's going to be vastly different. We have photos to show renderings of how it's going to look. And it's a really exciting time here at the college to see how we're going to transform this building. We're not doing anything with the gazebo. The gazebo is going to remain. And again, all of the landscaping that we've removed, we're going to use different landscaping. I think everybody will be pretty pleased with it when all is said and done. So this again just gives you an idea of all the work that's going on here, and how it looks and how it's going to look in the future.